Are you choosing music that's gonna go with your reel, or are you adjusting your reel so it goes with your music? I'm gonna show you how to do both in this video. Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, a content creator and social media marketer for impact-driven organizations. If you want to learn how to work with me, please visit my website, wonderfulida.ca. When it comes to adding music, the first thing you have to consider is the duration of the clips. So if you're going to use a lot of longer clips, then you want the music to be a little slower to go with the long clips. However, if you're going to use a lot of quick, fast clips, then you want the song to be a little bit faster, because then it's going to go with the flow of the video a lot more. Because if you have a whole bunch of long clips with a really fast song, unless there's a lot of action happening in the clips, it's not going to really match the flow of it. However, if you have a bunch of quick clips and a fast tempo, then it's going to look and feel natural. But what if you want to adjust the music so that it goes with your clips? Let me show you how to do that. So something that you could do is you can go into a reel and just select a bunch of clips. Once you have a bunch of clips selected, you will press next and it will automatically generate a video for you already aligned with that music. So you can see here they have a bunch of audios selected for you, and you could just select one of them and see how well it matches. Sometimes they do a really good job, like here, this is a really good job, they did it fast and quick, but sometimes they don't do that great of a job and you have to go in and adjust it because they'll take way too long on a clip. And oftentimes when you're looking at this, the clips aren't going to be perfectly lined up in the parts where you want it to be, but that's easy, we can adjust all that. So once you do this, you can press next, and then you'll see the edited video. So you go to, this is where it's going to allow you to adjust it to match it with the music. And so the thing you're looking for when you're trying to match it to music or make it go with the music is the waveform. You can see the waveform right underneath here. The waveform shows you where there's like peaks and valleys within your music, so you can know where to make changes and where to make cuts. So you can see it's like a little bit smaller and then it goes up right to there. Anytime there's a peak in your audio, that is the perfect time to make a cut, because it's going to be a little bit louder and it's going to make the cut look more natural. So to make a cut there, you can just select the clip that you're going to cut it in, press the split button, and it's going to make a little cut there. And the reason I do it this way is because it allows you to get really fine-tuned with it. What you're able to do is select where in your timeline you're going to be, so you can really pinpoint where that spike is. So you can put the white indicator line at the spike, and then by selecting it and pressing the split button, it's making a cut right in that spot, so you can get very specific to where you change your clips. And what you do is you select the part that you don't want and then discard. Let's discard this little piece here too. And then once your music is going to be on the beat, so let's say I want to cut it again here because it goes a little bit higher there. So I'm just going to select it again, split, and I'm just going to keep doing this for the rest of my video. So you can see there's a spike there. I can use any of these spikes. There's one there that I'd like to cut at. You could also just get it to come in on the sides. If it's just a shortcut, I sometimes do it that way. But for the most part, I do a split because it is a little bit harder to fine tune it. There we go. And then once you have that done, then you want to select which part of your clip you're going to use for your video, because when it creates this all for you by itself, it doesn't really pick the best part in the clip for you to use. Instead, it just uses the beginning of the clip. So typically that might not be the best part. So to adjust that, you just select it and select adjust section and then go through your clip. You can preview it by just putting your finger above it and then going back and forth. And then to move it, you're just going to put your finger on the actual timeline. So above it moves it and allows you to preview it, and moving it on the timeline allows you to change the section that you're going to be using. So let's see. There, I'm going to put my finger above it and I can preview. Yeah, I think that's good. So then you can just preview. And so I can have a reel that is matched to the music and that is far more engaging and interesting to watch when I'm scrolling through Instagram Reels. If you have any reel questions you want me to answer, please leave them in the comments so I can answer them in a future video. Till next time, peace!